Hey Amit, long time man. What brings you here? Hey Rohit, just came to pay my LIC premium. It's that time again. LIC? Come on Amit. That's too old school. I invest in the stock market now. Higher returns, wealth creations, I hear you. Stock market gains can be tempting. But what about the risk? What if things go south when you retire? Who seems the future, buddy? I would rather take my chances and aim big. Exactly why I'm doing this. No one knows the future, so I'm securing mine. LIC might not offer flashy returns, but it guarantees tax-free income when I stop working and secure my dependents during the death by giving insurance coverage. Never thought of it that way. It's like planting a tree takes time, but one day it gives you shade. Retirement and death is harsh reality of the life. No one can escape, Rohit. You and your metaphors. But point taken. Got to go the work. Bye. Take care. Amit. Wow. Is that really you? Rohit, after all these years, come, sit. Retirement hit harder than I expected, Amit. Remember those stock market investments? Yeah. You are doing really well, right? I made a fortune, spent it all. Trips, luxury, lifestyle. But I never planned for retirement. Now, I have got no steady income, just memories. I'm sorry to hear that. It's hard when the money runs out and there is nothing to fall back on. And you, still with LIC? Yes. My pension from LIC keeps me going. No stress, no surprises. I live simply, but with security. Also, my wife knows LIC will take care of her expenses after I leave this earth. You were right all those years ago. I thought I was smart, but maybe I was just impatient. I chased growth. You built stability with family security. You know what, Rohit? Most people I know don't even think about pension till it's too late. We are told to save, buy a house. But pension? That's old people stuff. By the time reality hits, we have spent our best earning years chasing wealth, not building stability. True, retirement planning doesn't feel urgent until it becomes critical. And many assume kids will help or think they will figure it out someday. But life doesn't always go to plan. That's why I started early. Not for luxury, just peace of mind. You have always been the sensible one. It's not too late, Rohit. There are still ways to create financial comfort. Even now, I'll help you out. Thanks, Amit. Still that same grounded friend.